And time now for a look at some of the top stories from around the world.
In the region, the government of Trinidad and Tobago is introducing taxes on earnings by local artists during Carnival 2026. The Inland Revenue Division, IRD, of the Ministry of Finance advised the promoters, band leaders and local and foreign artists of their obligations. Foreign artists will be subject to withholding tax, which must be deducted and remitted by promoters. Band leaders are also required to comply with similar tax obligations. The Trinbago Unified Calypsonians organization said it will address the issue after Carnival. Its president, Ainsley King, acknowledged that implementing new taxes during the busy Carnival season could be challenging. This marks the first serious attempt by the government in over a decade to enforce taxes on Carnival earnings, with previous efforts in 2011 ultimately failing to take hold. And US President Donald Trump said he will reduce tariffs on Indian goods in exchange for their promise to stop buying Russian oil. Speaking with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Trump said he agreed to replace Russian crude imports with oil from Venezuela and the United States. But that shift could be difficult because, according to global trade data, India currently imports about 1.5 million barrels of Russian oil each day. Venezuelan oil is similar in quality to Russian oil, but the country's oil infrastructure is dilapidated and could take years to rebuild. Under the deal, tariffs on Indian goods will drop to 18%, down from 50%. The White House says an additional 25% tariff imposed last August will be fully removed. And those were some of the top stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shane Burke.
So you can call an R name and one of them will show up for sports. It's Ricardo.
Ricardo.
So who is it?
It's Renardo. Yes.
It has the N. O.
Yes. And the R.
It's like
RN.
Renardo.
Renardo Ricardo Brown.